Getting ungated on Amazon is one of the biggest roadblocks for new sellers, and most people do it completely wrong. My name is Thomas Kroc. I've done over $8 million on Amazon doing the wholesale model, and I'm 23 years old and have been selling on Amazon for about 5 years now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get ungated on Amazon in 2026, whether it's a specific brand, a category, or both. I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use, the suppliers that actually work for ungating, and the mistakes that will get you rejected. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get ungated for any brand or category you want to sell in. This is the complete step-by-step guide, so let's get right into it. So let me start with the basics for anyone that's new. The first thing you're probably wondering is, what is gating? Amazon restricts certain brands and categories. This means you can't sell them until Amazon approves you. They do this to protect customers from counterfeit products and bad sellers. Now, there are two types of gating. One is brand gating, which specific brands are restricted. For example, you might not be able to sell Nike, Sony, or Hasbro until you get approved to sell those. Number two is category gating, and so entire categories are restricted. For example, grocery, health and household, beauty, toys, electronics are all gated categories. Now, if you're doing wholesale, you run into gating constantly. You'll find a profitable product, try to list it, and Amazon will say you'll need approval to sell this brand. Here's what Amazon requires to ungate you. So for brand ungating, Amazon wants proof that you're buying from an authorized source, so they'll ask for an invoice from an authorized distributor or the brand directly. The invoice must show, 10 to 400 units of a single product from that brand. The invoice must have your business name and address, and it must match up perfectly to the same exact information on your Amazon seller account. And the supplier must be verifiable, aka real address and a real business. For category ungating, it's the same requirements, but you need invoices for products in that category. So for example, how to get ungated in grocery, you need an invoice for grocery products from an authorized distributor. Now, the key is that you need to work with legitimate authorized distributors. If you buy from a random supplier on Alibaba or just some sketchy website, Amazon will reject your invoice and potentially ban your account. Now, one of the most important parts is that you will need suppliers that Amazon recognizes as legitimate. And so here are the suppliers I've used and I've verified myself that work for ungating. That way you can use them yourself. So for the grocery and health and household categories, number one, we have Frontier Co-op. And so that one obviously carries organic products, spices, teas, anything in the grocery category. It's easy to open up an account with them, and Amazon accepts their invoices like 100% of the time. Number two is called UNFI, UNFI, or United Natural Foods, whatever you want to call it, but their website is unfi.com. They are one of the largest grocery distributors in the US. They carry thousands of name brand products, and it's highly recognized by Amazon. You will have no issues using their invoice to get ungated. Number three is Kihi or Kehi, whatever you like to pronounce it as, but Kehi Distributors. Their website is kihi.com, so Kehe.com. And that's another massive grocery distributor in the US as well, and Amazon recognizes them immediately. For toys and games, we have EE Distribution. Their website is eedistribution.com, and they carry massive toy brands like Funko, Hasbro, Fisher-Price, DC, and Marvel. They're great for the toy category of ungating, and I've also used them personally as well. Now, for nutrition and supplements, we have Muscle Foods USA. So their website is musclefoodsusa.com. Pretty easy. They carry massive nutrition brands like Optimum Nutrition, Celsius, Quest, C4, etc. So it's perfect for that health and household ungating. Number two in that category would be Sports Nutrition Distributors. And so their website is sndist.com. And it's similar to Muscle Foods, and Amazon also recognizes them as an authorized distributor. Now, for electronics, we have VoiceCom. So their website is VoiceCom with two M's for com, 2ms.com. And they carry massive brands like Samsung, Google, JBL, Anchor, Pelican, and it's great for the electronic category ungate. Now, you may be asking, why do these suppliers work in particular? And it's because they are all established authorized distributors with their warehouse addresses, many years in the business, recognized by Amazon's platform and system, and clean invoices that meet Amazon's requirements. Now, here's the exact process to actually get ungated. Step number one is going to be identify what you need to get ungated for. So you're going to go to Amazon and try and list a product in the brand or category that you want. If it says you need approval, that's why you need an ungate. And so step two would be choose a supplier from the list above that I just provided you. Pick one that carries products in the brand or category that you need. For example, if you need to get ungated for a grocery category, use Frontier Co-op, Kehi, or Unfi. Step number three is to open up a wholesale account with said supplier. So go to their website and apply for a wholesale account. You'll need your LLC, your seller's permit, professional email, and your prep center's warehouse address. And you could also just use the script I've given in my other videos. For example, I'll give you a brief rundown. Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm the purchasing manager for your LLC name, your company, a retail and distribution business. We specialize in niche products. So for grocery, put grocery products. We're interested in opening a wholesale account. Can you please send us your dealer application? But I have more in-depth scripts than other in my YouTube videos, so make sure you go watch those. But step number 4 would be get approved, obviously. So most of these suppliers will approve you within 3 to 7 business days from when you apply. Step number 5 is to place an order. So here's the key. You need to order 10 to 400 units of a single product, depending on what Amazon is requesting. Sometimes they request 10 units, sometimes they request 400 units of a product. So don't order 5 units, 20 different products, order 50 units of the one product that they're asking. Why? Because Amazon's ungating requirements specifically say 10 to 400 units of a single product, depending on what they want. Pro tip, order something you can actually sell. So don't just order random products to Ungated. Order something you can actually list and sell on Amazon. That way you're not wasting money just to get Ungated. You're buying inventory you can profit from. Step number 6 is getting the invoice. Once your order ships, the supplier will send you an invoice, and make sure that invoice has your business name, your business's address, the supplier's name and address, the product name and quantity, and the date, obviously, because you must have gotten this invoice between 180 days Amazon requires. Step number 7 is to submit that to Amazon. So go to your Amazon Seller Central account, search for the brand or category you want to get Ungated for, click request approval, or you're going to need to actually search the product specifically. So just search the product and then click request approval, and then upload your invoice, and Amazon will review it within 24 to 48 hours. Step number 8, it will get approved. If everything is correct, Amazon will approve you. Now you can sell that brand or category. Elaborating on the last step actually, because sometimes we've been seeing with my partnership clients that they've been having to resubmit the same exact application and invoice multiple times over before they actually get approved. And so if you're having struggles doing that, that's because the AI system is not really reading it properly, and it's just like auto declining it. And so what I always teach them is to just churn their invoice 90 degrees. That way it's sideways, and the AI kind of throws it off and kind of triggers a manual review. And so then a worker will actually get to see your invoice and look at everything, make sure it's all good, right? And then approve you from there. And so that's a pro tip that I left out. Now let me save you from the mistakes I see all the time. Mistake number 1 being using unauthorized suppliers or bad suppliers. If you buy from a supplier that's not authorized, Amazon will reject your invoice. So just stick to the suppliers I listed above if you are a beginner. Mistake number 2 is ordering multiple products. Amazon wants, again, for each product or brand, they're going to request that specific amount from 10 to 400 units of a single product. So if you order 5 units each of 10 products, they will gonna reject you. And mistake number 3 is the invoice doesn't match your business name. So if your LLC is Swift Distribution LLC, but the invoice says Thomas and your last name or whatever, Amazon will reject it. So make sure the invoice has your exact name. Mistake number 4 is not having the proper address. So a lot of times people have this issue because on an invoice they have a different address than what's on their Amazon seller account. Sometimes people put their home address on your Amazon seller account and their personal address on, you know, the supplier's invoice. And so that's a mismatch, and that's not going to get approved. So make sure it's one or the other. I always suggest just put your supplier's, or not your supplier, your prep center's commercial warehouse address as your address on Amazon. Mistake number 5 is the invoice is too old. Amazon requires invoices dated within the last 180 days. So if your invoice is older than that, it obviously won't work. Moving on, people always ask, do I have to spend thousands just to get Ungated? But no, here's how to do it for cheap. Strategy number 1 would be to order or try to order products that require small quantities to get Ungated rather than the large ones. So like I mentioned prior or previously, there are these products that require 10 units to get Ungated. Some products require 400 units. So try your best to find, you know, the lower end of that spectrum, because, you know, say you order 10 to 20 units and a product costs $5 wholesale, that's only $50 to $100 to get Ungated. Strategy number 2 is to order products you could sell. So don't order random products just to get Ungated. Order something you could actually list and sell on Amazon. That way you're not losing money, you are just buying inventory. Strategy number 3 is to use Frontier Co-op. Frontier Co-op has like so many cheap products like spices, teas, etc. that cost $2 to $5 per unit, and you could get Ungated for grocery under $100. Strategy number 4 is to bundle Ungate with your first order. So if you're already ordering inventory from a supplier, just make sure one of your products meets the ungating requirements. That way you're not spending extra money just to get Ungated. Now look, I know Ungated can be confusing, and if you submit the wrong invoice, Amazon might reject or even suspend your account completely. So if you want me to walk you through this entire process, hold your hand throughout everything, verify your suppliers, make sure you're doing it right, Click the link below and apply to work with me. But if you want to do this yourself, keep on watching. I'm about to show you some advanced strategies. All right, so here are some advanced tips. Strategy number one being get ungated in multiple categories at once. If you order from Unfire, you could get ungated for grocery, health and household, and sometimes even beauty if they carry beauty products, all with one invoice. Just make sure you're ordering products that fall into each of those categories. Strategy number two is use brand direct invoices. If you can open up a brand direct account, their invoices carry even more weight with Amazon. So Amazon loves seeing these invoices directly from the brand. Strategy number three is to keep your invoices. Once you're ungated, keep all your invoices because Amazon might ask for them again in the future during account audits. Strategy number four is getting ungated before you need it. So don't wait until you find a profitable product to get ungated. Get ungated in the major categories: grocery, health and household, toys, electronics, all early on. That way when you find a winner, you can list it immediately. Now, if Amazon rejects your ungating request, here's what to do. Step number one being read the rejection reason. Amazon will tell you why they rejected you. Common reasons are the invoice doesn't meet requirements, supplier isn't recognized, or the quantity is wrong. Step number two, obviously being fix that issue. So that if the invoice is wrong, get a new one. If the supplier isn't recognized, use a different supplier from my list. Step number three is to resubmit. You can resubmit as many times as you need, just make sure you fix the issue first. And step number four, which is the last resort, is contact Amazon seller support. So if you keep getting rejected and you know your invoice is correct, contact Amazon seller support, and sometimes they can manually review it. Now, once you're ungated, here's how you actually stay ungated. Rule number one is only buy from authorized suppliers. If Amazon audits your account and finds you buying from unauthorized suppliers on any product, they'll revoke your ungating, like your ungatings that you've already got ungated for, and potentially even just suspend your entire account. Rule number two is keep clean invoices. Always keep your invoices organized. Amazon requests them at any time. Rule number three is don't sell counterfeit products. This one should be obvious, but if you get caught selling fake products, you're done. Rule number four is maintain good account health. Keep your order defect rate low, respond to customers quickly, and always follow Amazon's rules and terms of service. If your account health drops, Amazon might restrict you again. Now, following up on the good account health rating, once I tend to see you'll start to get more natural ungates on products and categories just naturally once you hit around that 200 units sold mark or the 200 account health mark. And so by that time, I always see that my partnership clients start to get way more ungates automatically without having to go through a hassle. Now let me give you the complete list with their details as well for all the suppliers that I've mentioned previously for ungating, but I'll just go over it again. For grocery and health and household category, we have Frontier Co-op, Unfi, and Kihi. Frontier Co-op's website is literally frontiercoop.com. Unfi is unfi.com, UNFI, and then Kihi is kihi.com, KEHE.com. For toys and games, we have EE Distribution. Website is eedistribution.com, very simple. Nutrition and supplements, we have Muscle Foods USA, musclefoodsusa.com. We have sports nutrition distributors. That one is SNDIST.com. And then electronics, we have VoiceComm, which is voicecom.com. VoiceComm has two M's, so COMM, VoiceComm. And then in general, any authorized distributor you verify using the methods I've showed you in my other videos. If you haven't, go watch my other videos on how to verify suppliers. But in a nutshell, check their addresses on Google Maps. It must be a real warehouse address. Call any brand that they say they carry and ask that brand if they're actually an authorized distributor in their supply chain or not. Look for reviews in their Google My Business profile, check Trustpilot, see if there's any scam warnings on or anything like that. And then just make sure they require an account to see pricing before you can actually buy products. So yeah, that's the complete guide to getting ungated on Amazon in 2026. Use the suppliers I listed. Follow the step-by-step process, avoid the common mistakes, and you'll get ungated without any issues. This is the exact same process I've used to get ungated in every major category and hundreds of brands. But here's the reality. If you submit the wrong invoice or use a bad supplier, Amazon might reject or even suspend your account completely. And that's exactly why I offer you to partner up with me in my partnership. I literally tell you which suppliers to use, verify your invoices before you submit them, and make sure you're doing everything properly by Amazon's terms of service. That way you can have a long and fruitful Amazon business. I've helped my students like Miguel hit 90,000 in revenue in just 2 months, Michael generate 15,000 in his first month, and multiple other sellers like Christy scale past $70,000 in their first few months because I eliminate all the trial and error for you. So if you're serious about building a real Amazon wholesale business and you have the capital to get started, make sure you click the link below and apply to partner with me. If not, just keep watching my free videos. There's tons of value here. And like always, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.